Mworoto-inĩ wa kwagĩrithia rĩera rĩa biacara mũno makĩria kũrĩ ahũri biacara a gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ, arũgamĩrĩri anene ngwatanĩro-inĩ ya wonjoria na iganda NCCI nĩmendekithĩtie mawatho mararongoreria gũkinyanĩria wagĩrĩru wa indo iria irendio.
Our SMEs are facing major competition, even on items that can be made here locally or are being made here locally. We are not being protected.
If this committee can have actually a law or a policy that guides that tomorrow nobody will come and give a different idea or a different way without coming to Parliament. If that can be done, then it is possible to have minimal standards for the micro.
Gĩikaro-inĩ na kamĩtĩ ya mbunge ĩgiĩ wonjoria, President wa ngwatanĩro ĩno Richard Ngatia nĩorĩtie kweherio kwa magoti kĩhĩri na oho kũgũithio kwa thogora wa ũthondeki wa indo nĩguo gũtiria ahũri biacara na kũmandandũrĩra thoko ya indo ciao nja wa bũrũri.
First is to see how we can be able to harmonize these taxes and to see how we can be able to see that some of the tariffs that are there are necessary and hindering the business that can be waived. We are exporting polyester from other countries because there is no clear guidelines and law and policy that will allow the farmers to be able to grow and of course motivate them to grow more cotton in this country. So what I believe should be done is to have a subsidy. Be very deliberate to have a subsidy for these farmers.
Nderetie konainie na kubwo kwa mawatho ma gũthũrima indo iria itakinyanĩire ikĩro no iyumĩririe na ona gũkĩrĩ ũguo memba amwe kamĩtĩ-inĩ ĩno mendekithia mũtaratara ũtekũritũhia makĩria mirutire ya biacara.
Chamber of Commerce, please help us to follow up on the value chain so that you can shout out where the farmer might get exploited along the value chain.
We don't use that word counterfeit to come and harass our traders there, and people are harassed every day in their business places in the name of counterfeit.
We also need to allow our traders to understand what is required by the law to be that standard, what that standard is.
Hamwe noguo mũikarĩri wa kamĩtĩ ĩno James Gakuya nĩahinyĩrĩirie gũkorwo na mĩhaka ya harĩa wĩra wa athondeki a indo kuma nja wa bũrũri ĩbatiĩ gũkinya. Gakuya akiuga wĩra wa kwendia indo ici ũtigĩrwo ahũri biacara kuma gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
There is a mechanism and there is a way that all manufacturers, if the Kenya government cannot subsidize all power in the country, to specific and to also not just to specific, all manufacturers be metered differently.
Then we have to look for a mechanism how this manufacturer will manufacture and allow outlets to be owned by locals. Why not? Otherwise, we can not allow to sell this country to foreigners.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mũmbi wa Chege.